Welcome to Error Genie. In today's video, I'll guide you step by step to fix the Could Not Init 3D System Shader Model 6.0 is required error in Farming Simulator 25. If you're experiencing this issue, follow along and let's get it resolved. Step 1. Modify the game's XML file. Close the game if it's running. Open File Explorer and go to Documents, then My Games, then Farming Simulator 2025. Locate the game.xml file, right-click it, and choose Open with Notepad. Look for Render section with D3D value, example, D3D12. Change 12 to 11, go to File then Save. Relaunch the game and check if it works. Still not working? Repeat steps above, but set D3D value to 10 this time, then save and try launching the game. Step 2. Adjust launch options. Right-click the game's shortcut and select Properties. In the Launch Options field, type -DX11 and launch the game. If it still doesn't work, try -DX12 or -DX10 in the Launch Options and relaunch. Step 3. Update your graphics card driver. Visit your graphics card manufacturer's website, e.g. NVIDIA or AMD. For NVIDIA users, go to the NVIDIA website, select your graphics card model and OS, then click Find to locate the latest game-ready driver. For AMD users, follow the same process on the AMD site. Download the latest driver and run the installer. In the installation window, select Custom Installation, not Express, and then Next. Check the Perform a Clean Installation box, then Next to start the process. Restart your computer once the installation completes, then try running the game. One of these steps should resolve the Shader Model 6.0 issue, and you'll be back to gaming smoothly. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to Error Genie for more troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching.